Okay, looks like we're getting ready to start on a new project. Owner brought this in. It's off a pontoon boat. It's actually a rope system for an anchor that they're not using. What they want to do is convert this into a barbecue stand to hang off the back of the pontoon boat, and something that they can take on and off whenever they're using it. They don't want to be transporting it on the back hanging off, but when they get there and get ready to have their lunch or whatever, they can somehow attach it in position onto that and do their lunch and everything else. When they get ready to leave, they can take it apart and set it back in the boat for storage. So I'm gonna start tearing into the stand right now and see what we can do, if I can utilize some of the plates. If not, we'll just cut up some new aluminum and build a different structure for it. So we'll keep you updated. Okay guys, I had to move inside. I was gonna just knock it out outside, but started getting some pretty good heat coming down, so I've moved in the shop here. Cut the two braces. The plan is I'm gonna mount two aluminum plates from leg to leg. You saw me drill the holes in the base, so I'll get these laid out, drill these out. We'll put some 1/4-inch small bolts in those. I'm gonna set it up, square it up. I'm gonna put a little plate in between, and then I'm gonna utilize the existing base here. Set that on the top, and then I'm gonna weld a little spacer between it, and then on the bottom I'm gonna have the plate go underneath here and just slide along in this existing track. And then we'll punch some holes down through and just mount it. A slide stop with a pin, so that way they can just put it in there, slide it to the position they want, drop the pin in it, and lock it down right there. And then when they get ready to leave, they can just pull the pin, slide it out, and be on their way. So we'll keep going. I'll set it up on time lapse. Okay, here's the plan so far. We have those mounted. I took this, I cut a slider piece here that fits up inside that existing channel. So now we're going to take these cross pieces we cut, going to go against the edge, both sides, square up on that bottom plate. We're going to measure in where we want them here. We'll go ahead and tack those on, and then we should have a nice plate. Should be able to just set that on, and it should position it to where they can push it in, and we'll just put a pin they can drop in either in the center, or I'll put something on that back side to where we can drop the pin in just to hold it in place while they're using it. But I'll set it back on time lapse and we'll go from there. Okay, plates are welded. Wait for those babies to cool down. I have to take a little bit of a bow out of it, but it should be good. I want a little bit in it where it's not dragging on that bottom. We'll let that cool down, and then we'll place it on that bottom, tack it up, get it welded, and try it out. Okay, I think we got her. Top. Here's the picture of the bottom. So it slides up on that little lip right there. That way you he can use this. And if he decides later he does want to use that anchor support, he can always just bolt that back on and use that also. So I'll go ahead and put it back on time lapse and assemble everything and call him up, tell him come and get it.